Uh, Talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laugh and scream, moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect, clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you bend things. Liquidity sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people or things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back right, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, truth, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generational kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
You ain't got no chicken wings. Here we go, guys. In 3, 2, and a 1. Bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization, acronyms, making you feel like you are not smart. We don't do that here. Let me see what songs. Oh, okay. Let me take off that song and put this on. Okay. All right. We're going to look at the crypto bubbles. We're going to say hi to the chat in just a moment. Crypto bubbles on the daily. We can get to it. Green. Hello. Does this mean everything is going to the moon, or just the fact that it's been going down so much that we had a pretty nice bounce? Let's look at the hourly time frame. On the hourly, continues to look green. Now, just remember, what goes up will come down, guaranteed. Just a matter of when and how much. What goes down will come up. It just depends when and how much. So this is why we trade level by level. Let's look at the, oops. Let's look at the fear and greed index. The other day it was at 12. Today, ooh, 6. Holy smokes. Tommy 2 liters. Your channel is Mo Better. And you just became my favorite. See here, who else do we got? So we got Stregerheart in the house. What's up, Stregerheart? Appreciate you, man, being here. Newbie Crypto in the house. What's going on? Newbie is asking, what trades you in today, Joe? I think I'm in silver, gold. I think I got back into, what is that coin? The one that pumped a lot, Hype. I think I'm back in that one. I haven't even looked at my exchange. I got home a little bit ago, jumped on CCM, Crypto Coin Mindsets channel. So I haven't even looked at my trades yet. So hopefully I'm still in them. We'll see. We'll find out together. We will find out together. Let's see here. And then this one, it didn't come up, but it says, Nui Crypto says, let's go, Vato. Who made gains with Newbie? 333 in the chat. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Very nice. All right. So now all the comments should pop up here where I can, David in the house. What's up, David? Appreciate you. Where it pops up. Extreme Fear 6. Let's see here. Tommy 2 liter says, I'm in XRP. What is the 411 on it? We will look at XRP. We will look at that. Y'all have any other coins? Well, let me know. Let me know. All right. Let's look at the liquidations heat map. This is going to be on the 24-hour time frame. Yesterday, I did not stream. I posted it onto my group as soon as I got home, and which was about 7 p.m. Also to the Discord, and then for Twitter, X, I didn't post there until like right at 9 o'clock. Newbie says, I'm in a swing short, 716, taking it to 59K. Let's go. That's huge gains, man. Huge gains. And hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. Let's go to the liquidations threshold. Let's go ahead and reduce this to 0.5. Come on, let's go. 0.5, 24-hour time frame. We have the blue selected, so we look very smart. I feel smart anyway by being blue. We have 0.5, thanks to Al from JR's Discord. Same thing with the liquidations map. Then the blue was from Crypto Changed Me. All this stuff was here. I just never clicked on it. Right now, more liquidation to the downside. 67.3. It's a great area. 72.92 million. Just underneath that, 41.89 million. Whew. Then we have another really nice spot, 65.3 with 36.45 million. Just under that, 38.43 million. So lots to the downside, not so much to the upside. We have this little bitty 52.79 million, boring at 71,957. Nothing too exciting up here. And this would be like just horrible if the market makers push it up here to come down, which is very, very possible. Very possible. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Holy smokes, what just happened? What did I do? I hit 12 hours. Is it not gonna work? Let's go 3-day. Oh, I can't do it anymore. Okay, well, we're not doing that. Let's go and look at Clash. What is Clash? Oof. So Clash, it actually went into our zone. Look at that. Like how beautiful is that? It's on the 4-hour time frame. Like these zones get respected. You see that? Bounce here and dump and then boop, came up. So right now, same thing. We're rejecting off of this level 2. So now I would like to see it potentially from here to our arrows, path tool, maybe come down a little bit more. And then moon mission. Let's go. For those that want to see this, let's look at the Bitcoin. And All right, so let's let's back up a little bit. 12-hour time frame. When the price was here, I'm thinking we're gonna come up. Why? Well, because we went down already. We went down sideways, went down some more. This area right here, I thought we were gonna go up. I thought we were gonna go up to at least here before rolling over. Nope, didn't happen. Continued to come down. When we were here the other day, I'm thinking, okay, now and it was, I think it was on the 4 hour or 1 hour that we're looking at. I was like, okay, you know, we have buying pressure, more to the buying pressure rather than selling pressure. More than likely here, we're going to go up. But I still think that we're going to potentially roll over. Potentially. And again, we don't know. We have to wait till a pivot gets created and then see if we break the pivot or we go to the upside. But all in all, it's still bearish. Like, we've been bearish for a long time. Here, we were hoping that we'd go up, down, up, go to our blue level, our blue trend line, come down, go into it, and then roll over. We came close to it, but when it did not bounce here, this was our, oh, watch out. And here, and then we were bouncing our head, getting rejected. Not good, broke this level. Hey, we got CCM raid coming through. CCM raid coming through. Appreciate you guys very much. Thank you for smashing the like. You guys, the best. The best. Bertha Badell, and we got JR. Very nice. Very nice. We got more people coming through. Right now, you know, we had all these coins. We just saw it on the crypto bubbles. All these coins up 15, 7, 20%. That's because they have been going down so freaking much. Because Bitcoin went up, these coins, well, they started going up. When Bitcoin goes down, and it will, it has to retrace, whether it goes down now or further up to come down. All these coins, guess what they're going to do? If you haven't taken profit, not financial advice, you might want to take some profit, not financial advice. Because when Bitcoin comes down, and it will, whether it's here or if it continues going up to the friggin' moon, but when it comes down, the coins, alts, they're going to feel it more, twice as much, 3 times, 5 times, 1,000 times. So just be very careful. David, what's up, David? Steve in the house. Steve Hickey, what's up, man? Appreciate you. See here. Ninja Raid, let's go. Steve, you're my favorite. You know that. Steve's my favorite. By a long shot. Newbie Crypto says Bitcoin is going to range, I believe. And it's funny you say that. A few other people have said that. Matter of fact, BC Port Corp, he just said that on Crypto Coin Mindset's channel. He says that it's going to range. For me, I don't know. I'd have to wait for it to start. Has it already? No, it hasn't. I was like, did it already start ranging? Let me hide all this junk. Oh. Hopefully we break out of this. We'll see. About 71. And it's just horrible. Absolutely horrible. It seems to have found a new value. That's the whole reason why I don't know what that says to begin with. Very nice, very nice. Duty, like poop. Is that what you're saying? I think that's what you're saying. I don't know. See here, Crypto Coin Mindset in the house. What's up, man? My buddy, my favorite. CCM Raid, let's go. Wouldn't be surprised if we range for a few months. Yeah, CCM was, or BC was saying that for like 2 or 3 months. We'll see. I don't know, man. It just horrible. A dump. Let's go. Chris in the house. What's up, Chris? Chris is my favorite. What's up, Chris? Appreciate you, man, being here. So here. Very, very nice. Yeah, but it just absolutely looks horrible. I thought here we were going to come up to like 106-ish and then come down, creating more of a well-defined head and shoulders for all the pattern traders before we can have a target down here where it hit. Oh man, so bad, so bad. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, we can see that price, you know, when we were here, I'm thinking, oh, okay, you know, more than likely come up. I said, nah, not yet. Again, it'll keep on going until it's done. Came down, started coming up. Now it'll be healthy for it to retrace about 67. We can see that. About 67 before going up, breaking this pivot to hopefully continue up, and then just see where it rolls over. Or, oh yeah, we need to adjust this. Maybe coming up to 382, which is 74.5. This will be great. The 0.5, which will be 79, to see potentially the rollover. But until it starts breaking highs, there's 0% chance that I can be bullish. Now, can we take a long and it just be a scalp that may turn into a swing? Sure, of course. We have been very bearish for a long time. And granted, we've been doing longs, though. We've been doing longs and shorts. And the longs, you know, we're hoping that anywhere here could be our bounce to come up to these levels, not to go like to make 1,000%, but you know, to go up and down, finally meets this and then roll over. But we will see what happens. Right now, let's go to this. This is a big point. So for a short, just so we can have a retrace, this would be the safer level, but wait for it. Like, I actually want to short right now. And again, I'm not looking for it to go to 0. I'm looking for it to retrace to potentially continue going up. My stop loss would be right here. Just to see. Hold on, I'm not taking this trade yet. I'm just looking right now. Let me go to 1 hour. Oh man, I gotta delete all that, or hide all that, so I don't get confused. Hide all this. Okay, perfect. Do my fib retracement. And hide this for now. Fib retracement. We're gonna look at XRP too. And if you have any coins, let me know. Normally I like to see it go to the 382. But for some reason, I'm thinking it's going to come to 236 before going potentially to break this. I don't know if it's worth it. From here to here. Oh, 4%, 3%. I think it's worth it. Or maybe not do so much leverage. I'm so used to doing so much leverage. I have my stop loss here. It's still risk reward doable. 101 for the first target anyway. %. I don't know. See here, range wouldn't be bad. That would be amazing to start buying spot at lower. Nice. I think we already made the range high and range low already. Keep up to 73. Weakness today. Swing shorts. Yeah, see, that's the thing too. Like these market makers they're jerk faces. A short right now is risky unless it's a swing trade. You're willing to stomach if we go to 73. 73, you say? So this level, 33. I know a lot of people have their stops right here too, because that's where I would put it. Chubby in the house. Divergence on the lights. Oh, smash it. Smash the lights. I did 15x on my short. There you go. Yeah, I think I was trading Bitcoin 10x. But this is when I was trying to go long up here, trying to get that bounce or wherever it was at. I was trying to get that bounce and I got stopped out. Let's go to a smaller time frame, 15 minute. You know what? I'm going to try it, but I'm going to do a really tight stop loss. And it's not even tight. It's 1%. It's not tight. I'm going to put my stop loss right here. I'm going to try to go for a short. If I get stopped out, it's okay. Copy. And it's my stop loss. And then my target. Hey, you're my favorite. You are my favorite. I can't see it. Hogs, you are my favorite now. Thank you. Let's do a target 4%. And I'm just gonna do 10x. Do a 10x. Normally, I trade this one 75x, but I've been doing 50x and then 30x. Okay, fine, I'll do 30x. You talked me into it. Talked me into it. But I trade with very little money. Very, very little money. And whatever this is, the percentage, is what I'm willing to lose. So if it's simple math, 50 cents or $1 or $2 or 10 or 100 or 1,000, like this, the do 30x. Like this stays the same. The amount of money I can lose stays the same. So let me man, it'd be safer if I just wait for the break of this, really. It's a zone. This zone is what I'm really looking at. I want to. You think Bitcoin will go to 50K? Possible. Very possible. We're just talking about that on Crypto Coin Mindset channel. You know, people are looking at, for me personally, I'm gonna buy at 65, 55, 45. That's where I'm buying. Do I think it can go down to 30, 32-ish, 35? Yeah. But I don't want to hold my breath and it only go to 45, 48, and then start going up from there. It's like, oh man, I had all my buy orders at 32 or 30, but 50, I do think so. Could I be wrong? Sure. Bro, your TP is that far. I definitely would raise your stop loss. That's too tight. Yeah. And not financial advice. Yeah, no, for if it doesn't, if I don't get stopped out, or rather if I get stopped out, then I'll definitely wait for it to break this level. So it's kind of like, I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot here. If I get stopped out, okay, I won't try it again until it breaks 69,530. And then if it does, then I'll have my stop loss and I'll have more than likely lower leverage, but I'll do 30x. I'm going to do 30x. No divergence on the 15 minute. And hopefully Look at everything else. Kind of iffy. Kind of iffy right now. I don't know. I'm having mixed signals. I want to get into a trade. I would like to see it retrace. And bigger picture, I think we might, because we've done nothing but gone up. And look at the size of these candles. Kind of, you know, nice buying pressure and selling pressure, but more buying pressure. Nice candle, not very nice candle, very nice candle, very nice candle, and not so much of a nice candle. Kind of slowing down. Then here, we still have 1 hour and 34 minutes to go. And we do have buying pressure on this current candle. Could turn green, but I think we're really close to it having its pullback. We'll see. See here, looking at Lynn for a long. Been in this one since yesterday. Very nice. And D Generation X, what's going on, my man? What's going on? Let's look at WTI oil for a long. I have 4 contracts of it. Let's go. I'll be your chicken wing. Shep, you're the best. And my favorite. So let's look at XRP first. Then WTI, which is oil for a long. Oh, let me get into my short. Oh. You know, I'm gonna do it. 15 minutes. I'm gonna do it. Because we're at any point gonna roll over. I'm just debating if I should have it so tight or up here. I'll have it tight. I'll have it tight. I'll have it tight. And if I get stopped out, then I'll wait for it to break this for me to and this right here is the danger part. Like, a lot of traders, they trade this way, but to me it's too risky because we haven't broken the level to the downside, because they can continue making higher highs from this area and then trying to come down and make another higher high, just taking all the shorts. But if it's going to take me out here, it's going to take me out here, because more than likely it'll go a little bit higher to get everybody who's stopping right here. Lynn for a long as well. XRP, $5 soonish by 2030. Possible. Possible. Trying to look for confirmation for my right now. We're above all of these. 3 minute. You could argue bull flag. I want to see a break below the 200 SMA. We got 1:30. So let me at least set it up. Man, I think it's gonna roll over. I really do. I also have the just want to get into a trade. I don't even know if I'm in trades right now. I don't know if they got stopped out. I haven't looked at them. Let's see. Let me get into this trade real quick. I think if I get stopped out. Oh man. I kind of don't want to show y'all this type of trading, because this type of trading is, to me, it's aggressive. If I wasn't streaming, I'd take it. I get stopped out. Oh well. It's a risky trade. Oh wait. Let's go YouTube. Let's go XRP. Let's look at that one. Let's look at some XRP. Hey, Crypto Squid's here. Never fear. Crypto Squid is here. Let's go. Let's go. Moon mission. XRP. Uploading. So get in at a key level. Where are your key levels? Yeah, it has to break that blue line. If it breaks the blue line, it's safer for me to enter. But right now I'm kind of like trying to front run it, but it can easily make another high. And that high would take out all the people who are doing shorts. So it's like, kind of same thing right here. Like here, it would be nice for a retrace. And I do think because all these coins have had a really nice pump, that a retrace is in store. This came down to 236. And if it goes up from here and breaks this level, this is FOMO City. So the 236 is FOMO for me. I'd like to see them pull back to at least a 3 to 0.5 before continuing up. Let's go to daily. Let's get rid of all this junk. We don't care about you. 48%. Remove, locked, sure, why not? We don't care about past gains. We want now gains. So on the weekly, this is our level that we need to go. Over 10. Nobody likes you. You never invited to the parties. So now we are looking at the daily. And for me, okay. For me, this is the level. So this is our zone-ish that we're looking at. Beautiful. This is what we need to break in order to be potentially bullish. Potentially. And nice. Okay. So now let's go to a 4 hour. On the 4 hour, again, nice. Coming up, I would like to see it pull back a little bit more because right now it bounced right for the 236 level. And sometimes XRP can run. But for me, I would like to see, so from the low, the high, let's go to the 1 hour just so we can see more ups and downs. And for the ups and downs, went right to the 2-3. I would like to see this. And now, if Bitcoin pulls back, and I do think it will, if Bitcoin pulls back, these alts are going to follow. I don't think there's going to be an alt that continues to pump. And if one does, it's literally going to be one, maybe two. But I think pull back to at least a 382. Before potentially doing this. But I think because we had this little pump, I think all the coins are going to go down. And I really see them doing this number. This is my plan A. But from here, I do think we're going to come down. And it just depends. Do we bounce on the 3-2? If so, what we're looking for is for the pivot to be broken. Great. I really want to get into this short. Safer for this level. 8 along since 25 cents. Let's go. Degens. I have a DJing account and conservative spot accounts. Yeah, very true. Dang, your P on the weekly looks ugly. Dude, I'm telling you, man. Like all these coins, really. I mean, there's a few that don't. But this is what I think. From here, do I think we're gonna go up? No. Unless Bitcoin moves like another 2-3% up, then all of the alts will also go up, in my opinion. But I do think that Bitcoin is ready for a pullback. It could go up a little bit more and then pull back, or just pull back here. And if it does, these alts that had these really nice gains, if you haven't taken profit, not financial advice, but you might want to, not financial advice. I think they're all going to pull back. That's what I think. So again, here is my A. Go 40. And why is this not right? Oh, that's right. That's what I think. Let's go to WAT. Let's go here. And it looks like it wants to come down. It looks like it. WIT. And this is oil. Did I do it right? Did I spell that right? Oh, WTI. WTI. Oil. Let's go. I guess this one. West Texas Intermediate Crude Oil Cash. I like doing this, but this is different. I don't know which one to do. I'm assuming this one. I don't know which one to do. So I'm gonna click on this one, and you let me know if it's wrong or not. You said for long. Let's go to the weekly. The weekly. I'm in here. I thought we were gonna come up, and boop. Way wrong. Let's go to. I'm trying to see less candles. You see less candles. You see less ups and downs. You see more. It's to me, it's just a little bit cleaner. So let's get rid of all of our junk. Nice level right here. Very nice. So we're right underneath resistance. Got like a zone. So we're on the 1 month charts. I'm gonna look for levels. What I'm doing is I'm using my eyeballs where I get more touches. Oh, this one's nice. Well, how about if we do it right here? I like it. So here we have this. Can nobody stop? Can nobody stop? Can nobody stop? Wick. Wick passed it a little bit. Wick passed it a little bit. Wick passed it a little bit. Can nobody close? Can nobody close? Wick. Wick. Can nobody close? Can nobody close? Can nobody close? So right now we're right under resistance. And looking for other kind of body closes. The more we have, the better. I don't see like defined pivots. But there are like this. It matches up to a few. So this would be my zone. Here. Send this over. Let's go to the daily. On the daily. And now what I'm doing is I'm looking at all of the price action. You know, how does it move, ups and downs? Does it have a particular area that it's favoring? Right now, it looks like it bounced off of support. So if we do this, kind of have a like a mid-level from this zone. We came right to it, bounced. Now I'm looking at just at the again, just the price action. Came down, started breaking the high here, then broke this high. So it looks like it's starting to change the trend, potentially. I like it. For a long, I would feel more comfortable. What's this, 3%? 5%, 6%. So because everybody's gonna have their stop loss about here, 15%. Oh, hey, doing 18. Maybe 17%. And the only reason I say that is just, I like it. I really do. In case we come down, I'm looking for a bounce here. To do something like this, maybe a bounce here as well. Then the midline, and then we come up. That to me would be good. I'm protecting myself in case we get a wick, something like this, right over here. To where candle body closes, but then we get a scammy wick that's taking out all these shorts. I mean, all the longs. So the stop loss would be about 17%. All right. But I like it though. It's starting to change the momentum, starting to curve. We got the rejection coming down. If you want a safer entry, wait 6%. Let's see here. I consider it long on oil. It's pulled back substantially already on the weekly. Yeah. Very true. Very true. If you wanted a safer entry, I'd wait about 6%. Set an alert here. And what could happen is if we do something like this, your alert goes off. Well, now you have all of this as support, all of this zone. Because right now we're literally bumping our head on this resistance. And we've done it several times where we came up, found support, lost it. Oh crap. Oh, we're in the middle. Okay. Rejection. Oh, we're in the middle. Okay. Rejection. Oh, we're at the bottom. But hopefully if we break above again, we can find a support and then potentially continue going up. I like it though. Looks good. I liked it here too. Break that level. Then I would have definitely waited here because we're so close to this resistance. And here we could have done another one of these and maybe come down here and then boop. But in my opinion, oil, great investment. Gold, great investment. You know, natural gases, silver, like all this stuff. Wheat. We have ups and downs, sure, but I think they're great investments. I'm not a financial guy, and none of this financial advice. But you know, it will go down. It went down way down here. Good Lord. It was back in 2020. But then skyrocketed and pulled back. That's a beautiful pullback too. Let's hide all this. Let's just admire the beauty of this. And this is long-term holding, investing. What did I do? This long-term holding, investing type scenario. Let's go to a monthly so we can have less ups and downs. But fib retracement, angle tool from the low to the high. Just beautiful. Beautiful retrace. I like to see it bounce here at the 382, but it's healthy 0.5. And it was doing that, then doing that, then doing that, then it lost. It's like, oh crap. But we also have this trend line that we're about to break as well. I like it. And if you get in now, it's just, you know, a little bit riskier, but you're gonna make a little bit more money. So we had this trend line which broke. Now we have this trend line. Then what I would also do, so it kind of creates like a liquidity area or a rejection zone. And let's go here, here. Bear with me. I am on the stepper. Here. To here. So that gives us like a liquidity zone where it could get rejected from. But once it breaks out, you can have this as a falling wedge. You have another trend line down here. I like it. And here you can see that potentially this might be the bottom, but then we also thought that here too, and then went lower. I like it though. I like it a lot. Let's see here, XRP. Go Bitcoin. Okay. So we've got 13 minutes. Do you think we're going to redo that pullback? To about 37,457. So I'm going to go ahead and hit my stop loss right here. Very, very tight. Very, very extremely tight. Like I said, man, I want to get in. I think it's going to come down. I don't know. If I get stepped out, safer is here. Dang, Joe, maybe you should got it into that short. Yeah. Yeah, it's I do think we're gonna come down. But again, I mean, we could make another higher high and then eventually come down. But my overall thought process, and just because we went up, we've gone up. So a pullback is needed. And this could be the area of the pullback. But I also thought that here. I thought we were gonna come up to at least here before the rollover. We barely even went up and boop. And here, now it's the opposite. Instead of going up, we roll over. Now, because we went up, now we're over. I don't know. Oops, wrong one. Yeah. Let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Well, let me know. Let me know, or forever hold your peace. Litecoin over here. I'm thinking that we may do something like this to come down to get this liquidity. All these people who are going long, because it's just going sideways, and then maybe shoot up. We ended up coming down for this, but have our alert here so that we could enter. Hopefully after it maybe takes this out, and it did take it out. See, hype. Man, it's ranging. Doesn't look good right now. I think I'm in this right now. What I need to see on hype, this is the 1 hour time frame. I need to see it come up, come down, to come up. This is what I need to see. I don't know if we're gonna do it. Especially with Bitcoin the way it is. Let's see. I'm going live in about 10-15 minutes. So I'm going to head on out. All right, Chris, I'm gonna see if I can watch your live stream. Oh man, I'm tired. Let's go to Lynn Long. Lynn. Yeah. Let's see here. Are you a mod? Are you an admin? Chris. I think you're an admin. Put your channel in. If you can. Let's see here. Let's look at Lynn. Let's look at Lynn. YouTube. This stepper is making me sweat. What's up with this stepper? LYN. And I'm assuming this is a crypto. I mean a stock. Is it crypto? Oh, it's crypto. Let's go. Oh. This one I'd long it, but it's a extremely risky, very degen play. I long it. These don't really play by the rules. Very low market cap coin. And we have bearish divergence currently. But if this continues going up, then this will continue going up, no longer being bearish divergence on the 12 hour. Let's see here. Very degen play. Very degen. Here. Here. Dude, I short lane. It's a very degen play. Here, it could do something like this, where it goes up. And make sure to take profit, because it will dump on your face. And here it's slowly starting to creep its way up. And we're going to see this, and oh man, the person on X is right. It's going to do a 5X. And then they get in and it pumps. And then they'll dump it. But here, I long it. I long it to maybe like 20%, 18%. And my stop loss, yeah. Talk about low market cap coins. Jeez. Okay, so my first one my target has to be much higher than that. Oh. Yeah. For me personally, I don't like these coins. I'll put like a few dollars in. I don't like these coins though. Just because they can pump really hard. So if the first one had to be like a 101, and the second target is like 30 or 50%, and that could happen like really quick. This one, again, I would throw just a few dollars in. Not financial advice, but like I said, it can. I like trading these type of coins with very, very little money and spot trade, or maybe a 1x leverage. I would not even do a 2x leverage on this bad boy. Not even a 2. That's pretty bad. I would not do a 2x. I do a 1x regular spot. That's what I do. Let's see here. Short it to 0. I like how you think. See here. Y'all want to come hang out? See some cats? Hang out? Yes, definitely. Loki's Angels. Appreciate that very much. Yes, indeed. Drop a sub. Support other content creators. That's what it's all about. Sharing the love. It's about. Oh, David says 4 cats fighting outside today. My main cats. AWOL. Uh-oh. Maybe he was trying to find a girlfriend. Could be. Yep. Could be. Let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, newbies. Yeah, and if I do trade this, it's literally like with a few dollars, $5. You know, just to say I took the trade, I got 30x or not 30x, 30%, 50%, whatever it is. But this stop loss would be like 50 cents or $1 or whatever. Like I'm gonna set it at. So I'm trading with very few. Like these are very dangerous. You can make money, sure. You can lose money too. But yeah, that's the very first thing I say when I see this. Like, ooh, one, I take the long, but two, very low market cap coin, extremely volatile. If you do make some gains, make sure to take profit because they will take it all back. They will. No. Hey, Damien, you are a crazy degen. Hopefully you're either doing cross or, and even cross is even more dangerous, or you have multiple orders to the downside in case it does come down really fast. And I mean, because look at this right here. This wick. So this one candle went 20%. Just one candle. So hopefully you have entry here, an entry here, maybe another entry here, another entry here. They didn't get these, it started going up. Okay, now you're in profit. But yeah, a very, very extremely high risk. But if I had a few dollars, you know, $5, $20, whatever, and I only wanted to risk $1, I put my stop loss here and do that. To here. Could be getting kitten season soon. Yes, indeed. My degen analysis is in my Discord group. Brought Lynn to my attention. Yeah. I mean, to me, it looks great. It looks great. But with that being said, it's very evident low market cap coin, very easily manipulated. So if you do make money, take profit. Not financial advice. Newbie Crypto says, good luck. Yes, indeed. Doge. Let's look at some Doge. Doge on Blowfin. This looks like all the coins right now. I do think we're going to pull back just because I think Bitcoin's going to pull back. And I think it's going to take the rest of the coins with it. And I just hope Bitcoin makes a pivot to the upside. And if it does, it'll take these coins up. If not, it'll be just another continuation of this, where we come down, we come up, looking like we got hope, and we start going up and then down. We start going up and then down. Oh, we got a bounce. This right here looks really good. Beautiful bounce. And then down. It's because of Bitcoin. And I was gonna say, oh man, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Right now it's hanging tight. It's hanging strong right now. See if it gets rejected by the 200 SMA, which is the yellow line, and the 30 SMA, the orange line. See, the blue line is the VWAP. See if we break below that. See here, no cross leverage. I have confidence in my buy zones and stop losses. Hey, there you go. That's what it's all about. Confidence in your trades, in your setups. And if you lose, so what? You lose. No biggie. We're traders. We win, we lose. And if it comes out great trade, then good for you. If it comes out a bad trade, well, guess what? You had a stop loss, so good for you. That's good. Tommy 2 liters. Thank you, Joe. You're welcome. You are very welcome, my friend. Let's go. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. We're going to roll over Bitcoin and get all the shorts, going to get all the longs. What's going on right now? Let's see. Oh, that's our time. That is our time. The Bitcoin getting held up by the 21 EMA on the 4 hour. Well, 4 hour. Let's hide all our junk. So I have a 21 here. This is an SMA though. This is a VWAP. Let's go 1 hour. On the 1 hour, currently dropped underneath the 21 SMA. Try to break below the VWAP. And now trying to maintain above it. In my opinion, possibly coming down here to the 50, which will be a nice retracement. 50 SMA, so around 38-ish. Let's go ahead and put back on our thingamabobs. And actually, I would like to see it come down a little bit lower than 50, maybe to this area right here. So about 67. Well, where the target is really 67,457. That's what I like to see. But right now, I'm currently getting rejected. So for me personally, I like the SMAs versus the EMAs because the SMAs are slower. The EMAs are faster. And in my opinion, because they're faster, they could potentially give or provide more fake outs versus something slower. It's kind of like doing a 3-minute time frame versus a 4-hour time frame. The 3-minute time frame, you get in faster, but you have a higher probability of more fake outs. The 4-hour time frame, it's longer, it's slower, but the fake outs are less. You can still get them, but it's less. But that's why I prefer the SMAs versus the EMAs. That's just my opinion. You guys are so cute with your moving averages. Yeah, so for moving averages, the way I see them, it's an average. It's an average of the counterbody closes. So there's a high probability that if the price action goes to certain areas, for example, the 200 SMA, that it might get rejected from it. Now, could it break above it? Sure. That's what a lot of mentors, they don't talk. They say, oh, look here, it bounced off of the 200 SMA, it's support. If it's way up here, I'm looking for it to come down to the 200 SMA and bounce again. No. Price can do whatever it wants. Exhibit A. Price can do whatever it wants. Now, if it happens, say price down here, if it happens to start going up and the 200 SMAs up here, well, then there's a chance, notice my verbiage versus everybody else. There's a chance that we might get rejected on the 200. And if we break above it, well, then hopefully we find support on it. My verbiage is very different from almost everybody else. Oh, the 200, it's a magnet. This SMA is a magnet. The point of control is a magnet. The value area low is a magnet. No. These are areas where the candle, you have a higher probability of the price going to that area. However, it does not have to. It can easily reverse. It can easily go to the 200 and then stop here and come down because the price is leading the average, because the average is made up of the price. It's not the other way around. And everybody teaches the other way around. No. If the price comes down, well, guess what the moving average is going to do? It's going to come down. So yeah. See here. Moving averages work. It's where I take potential profits or partial profits on different time frames. There you go. So the average is just that. It's in the name. Average. Does it mean it will go there? No. The probability of it going there is higher because it's an average. So please, like, for everybody who's learning about this stuff, it's an average. It doesn't mean that it will go there. Doesn't mean that it has to go there. It just means that's where the average is at. And the price could go towards the average and then reverse. And guess what the average is going to do? Because the price is coming down, the average is going to follow the price. Price does not follow the average. It could go there, but it doesn't have to. the average will definitely go where the price is. Because the price coming down, guess what the average is going to do? Come down. Why? It's an average. That's right. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, all you need is key levels, volume, order flow. Buyers and sellers don't care about those lines. They want to buy low and sell high. I recommend everybody studying auction market theory. I've never heard of that. I probably should. Let me do this. Auction market theory. I've never heard of it. And I saved it. Save. Oh, and I forgot to save that ICT thing. Where's my thing? Good Lord. I can easily find my mouse on multiple screens. No one ever said with multiple screens. Save. Save. But Lunar Beaches Crypto talked about that, about the ICT. Killzone. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, well said about the moving averages, Joe. Oh, thank you. Yeah, but nobody talks about that or like that. They all, it broke the 200. It's going here to the 50. No, it's not. It could. There's a chance. Guess why? Because it broke the 200. Now you're closer to the 50. So the odds, the potential is greater. Doesn't mean it will. But yeah, so many people talk like that, man. And they say magnets. So that's why whenever I go into certain chats, they're like, oh, T.I. Joe's here, trade intuition. And they throw magnets in the chat because I speak very highly against the only magnet in trading is right here. It's on TradingView. This is the only magnet. These are just averages. Anyway, Lynn has increasing money flow and buying pressure on the daily time frame. I think shorting it, not such a good idea yet. And did we take that off? Ah, dang it. I think we did. Oh well. But good show, guys. Good show. Right now we came down, and right here would have been right here is and would be, that's correct English, a great area for it to get rejected and break below this pivot. And then I might take a short. I don't know. Kind of like I have a high conviction that the price has a higher probability of coming down versus continuing up. Could it go up? Sure. But I have more conviction of it going down. We'll see. Magnets in the chat. I love it. I love it. But yeah, it's all about probabilities. It's all about probabilities. But all right, well, that's the end of the show. I'm kind of sweating already. So I do thank you guys very much. We had a few people drop off, but that's okay. You guys are here, and you guys are my favorites. Just to let you know, you are my favorite. Put a 1 in the chat, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you are still here. Put a 1 in the chat if you are still here. You guys are the best. Who should we go see next? What's today, Friday? Lunar Beaches does not show today. The Art of Crypto. Oh, 7 a.m. My buddy. JR. Anybody interested in going to a free Discord where there's active trading? And I'm in there trading as well. And it's free. It's JR's Discord. If there's any admins in here, put JR's Discord in the chats. And we talk. We talk about strategies. We trade. We do all that fun stuff. Crypto Squid. What's today? Oh, this is the one that always tricks me. Dang it. Dang it. Try one more time and then that's it. There's maybe this one. Oh my gosh, did I just do the same one? Oh well. Oh well. Put one ones in the chat, guys. Let me know you're here. Put ones in the chat. Let me know you're here. Oh, nobody. Okay. Well. Oh well. Oh well. Let's see here. Me Damien says, I've seen moving averages get support and rejection too many times, especially on large time frames, for it not to be used in trading. It should be used. Yeah, but just be careful with your wording, because if you say that it will get rejected, or it has to get rejected, or it has to go to this level, I can show you many instances where it doesn't. Sure, it might find support. So here's the thing too, like whenever we're back testing, and I've done this because I've had several thousand hours of back testing, thousands with plural. We see what we want to see. Oh, look, we found support here, but we don't look at this. Oh, look, we went back to the 30 SMA or even the 50 SMA because we moved far away from it because we want to see that. But in other cases where the price came down and started coming up, and then now the 50 goes up, we don't really see that or pay. It's kind of like when you buy a brand new car and it's a red Maserati or whatever, and you start noticing, oh, there's another red Maserati. Oh, there's another red Maserati. Like you start, before you didn't see it, you didn't notice it. So same thing when you're back testing, you're seeing what you want to see. And that's the danger of back testing, because you're seeing what makes your strategy correct. So give you a heads up. Newbie Crypto says, not no algorithms or because of MAs. Newbie, you're my favorite, man. Newbie Crypto, favorite. But moving averages, just like other indicators, are not the end all be all. Very true. And you should look for confidence with other indicators agreeing with it. Well said. Confluence, nor confidence. There you go. That's why I personally don't use indicators personally. Yeah. For me, this is how I trade. I do like using the moving averages because it tells me the strength. So what I do is I trade strength. I trade I look at the candles, the sizes, the wicks, because they all tell me a story, and I would have been stopped out. They all tell me a story. The momentum, I look at all that. This is how I trade. And then, well, when I'm gonna get into a trade, this is what I use. When I'm gonna enter it, I will use this. Let's just say I was gonna enter a long for whatever reason, and I see that it's far away from my VWAP and my moving averages. Well, I could enter here, but I would definitely have a lower entry here just in case it pulls back to the average. And if it does, great. I lowered my entry. If it doesn't, if it continues going up and the moving averages continue to go up, well then, okay, I'll just wait for the next pullback so I can enter or add if I'm going to do that. Yeah. I'm typing too fast. Just volume and order flow. Let's go. To each their own. Yeah, I mean, if you're successful, you're making money. Now, if you were using moving averages and your other indicators and you weren't successful, then okay, you might want to listen. But if you're using moving averages and other indicators and you're successful, granted you lose because everybody does, but you win more than you lose, you're good. But now if you're losing more than you win, then that's when we have to swallow our pride and say, okay, what do I need to do different? And everybody trades differently too. Everybody trades differently. And it's just how do you make money? And hopefully, you know, you're making more than you're losing. And of course, marketing key levels. Very true. Yeah, and there's like people use the Bollinger Bands. I don't. And they, here's the top of the band, I'm gonna take profit, and here's the bottom, and I don't. But some people do, and they are killing it. Like in JR's Discord. absolutely freaking killing it. I don't trade that way. Doesn't mean their way is wrong. It just, I don't trade that way. But there are some people in there that, I mean, literally, and you'll see them too, like killing it. And I'll be like, no, I don't like it. It's not for me. And they're trading, they're showing it, and they're winning. But yeah, as long as you're, yeah. Also true. Be sure to watch videos on auction market theory, Joe. It will show you. I need to do that. I'm off tomorrow. Guess what, guys? Story time. I'm off tomorrow. And I'm gonna go to my old neighbor's house. He's a good friend. I was living next to him for about 3 years, I guess, 4 years. Real good dude. We would talk about stocks, crypto. We'd be on my porch for a good 4 or 5 hours sometimes. Just shooting the breeze, man. Like, that's just enjoying life. Not having to wake up and, you know, being the rat race, all that fun stuff. Well, guess what? I had to get into the rat race again so I can make some money, so I could save up for this bear market. And I would have been sucked out. Boom. Oof. Perfect to my stop loss. Oh. But I'm going to go there tomorrow. I bought some ribeye steaks. He cooks really, really good. Gonna barbecue them up. I bought some Boston butt. I bought a few of them this time. And put 2 in the freezer, 1 in the fridge, so I can cook tomorrow, so I can have for the week. And then I'm gonna give him one. I said, do you like Boston butt? He's like, yep. I said, all right, I got you one. Real good dude. But that's it for me, guys. I do thank you very much. It's been fun. It's been great. And I would have been stopped out. Granted, very tight stop loss. Very tight. But if I would have entered this, and I was thinking, I was very, you saw me. I was like, man, I want to get into a trade. Safer entries down here. We'll see. Looks like a bear flag on the 3 minute. I wouldn't say bear flag. I'd say bull flag. But then it broke out and then just came back in. You can also argue cup and handle. But I don't trade patterns either. I see them. And it's funny too. Like, I'll squint my eyes really tight, shake my head really fast, spin around in my chair until I'm gonna fall down. I was like, oh, look, we have a, wait for it. We have a cup. We have a handle. Oh, wait a minute. We have a bull flag. Oh, wait a minute. We have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Oh, wait a minute. We have a what else do we have? Oh yeah, no. Okay. We have an Adam and an Eve. Like, tell me, I don't want to say this disrespectfully. Tell me you're new to learning patterns without telling me you're new to learning patterns. Oh, look, we have a shoulder and a head and a shoulder. Okay, thanks. Yeah. Maybe Crypto says, yeah, I don't anything about, yeah. Adam and Eve, there you go. Yeah, so what I see is I see levels. Here's a level. Here's a level. Now, granted, it did break this level, and like, if I was watching this, I would have entered a short right here if I was watching it. And then it started coming up. I was like, uh-oh. Now, what I don't want to do is I don't want to break this level, and then my stop loss is right here. But yeah, I would, if I was watching this, I would have taken the short. Now, granted, it moved aggressively, but still, because I broke this level. And now I'm thinking it's going to do this and roll over here. And again, I'll tell you what I would have done in the moment. There's a lot of traders that they won't, because they're trying to sell you something. I win, I lose. You know, I don't have an ego or nothing like that. And I let y'all know, like, yeah, like there's trades where I get in, it's like, oh, I lost. Here's the reason why. This is what I did. We lose, guys, we lose. And that's the biggest thing. Like, so many traders, they have this big old ego and they only want to talk about their wins. And I don't. Like, to me, more importantly is the losses. Because there's a lot of traders out there, they'll be like, man, everybody's winning. Everybody's winning. Like, what's wrong with me? No, nothing wrong with you. You enter the trade, it looked great, or if it was a great setup. And it was just the market. The market turned, you know, or the stop loss is too tight. But all this is just learn together. All right, well, everybody's leaving already. They're like, oh, Joe, you're getting boring already. But that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. We definitely lose. Even newbie crypto, folks. Yeah, we all lose, man. But the thing is, like, we're learning from it, or at least we know why. Like here, if I would have entered this trade, I know why I lost. One, I had the stop loss super tight. And two, I didn't enter the safer trade. It was kind of aggressive. But like we know why, and we understand the risk. You know, could I have my stop loss way up here? Sure. But if I'm gonna get stopped out here, more than likely it's gonna come here to get me out too. But yeah. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you guys. Tomorrow, I don't think I'll do a bonus stream because I'm pretty sure I'll be with my ex neighbor, my buddy. But if I do, it might be around 12. But I doubt it though. Be eating some steak, some ribeye steaks. Yum yum. Gas light free zone. That's right. That's right. All right, guys. So that's it for me. I do thank you very much. Now it's time that I find the off button to this stepper. Oh, speaking about that, we have gone 1.32 miles, guys. Holy smokes. Speed is only 1, you know, taking it nice and easy. And we have traveled for 80 minutes. 80 minutes, guys. That's amazing. Traveling 1.33 miles. I love you guys very much. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, as always, manage your risk. Know that we all lose, but the main thing is to learn from those losses and be in a good community. That's what you, and not a community that just pumps everything to, oh, look at this, look at all these gains we made and we're amazing. No, like, also have real traders in there. Man, I lost. Here's why. That's what you need. That's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. See you guys tomorrow. Just to let you know, you are my favorite. See you soon. Take care. Not the guy behind you, the guy to the left, to the right, but you. Where's that dumb off? But oh, found it. Oh, the off button. I love it. Thank you guys so much. See you guys later. Until then, as always, not sure what time it is your time, but it is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. So let's make this money together as a family. Talking about our wins, talking about our losses, and just growing together. We'll see you soon. Take care.
Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things.